Hello, here's a quick tutorial on how to create a Google form. The quickest way for me to get to Google Forms is just to type forms.google.com into the browser. Since I'm already logged in, it will automatically open up the browser form or the forms for me. You might have to log in. Click on blank, which is to start a new form. And then you could title your form, so this could be website submission. Form description, submit your website URLs here. And then your first question can be name. I tend to have my students do last name, first name, just so I can sort that way. Forms will automatically change to a short answer text. So after that, click required so they cannot not put that in. If you have multiple classes doing the same assignment, I always suggest having them say what class period it is. So class period here, and then you can just give them the options, first, third, or whatever class periods you're doing. And then finally, the last question can be, and actually let's make this question right here, the class period one, also required. Last question will be copy and paste your website URL here. And notice how it automatically changes it to short answer. A few things that you want to look at. You can go to settings, collect the email addresses, require the FCPS students to log in as well. If you don't collect email addresses, you won't have that record of their usernames, but since you're putting their name in there, you don't technically need it. Click save, and then to share it, click send, click on the link. I suggest shortening the URL, copy and paste this into however you want to share it, via email or Blackboard, and then you're good to go. Once you get the responses, you can come back into Classroom, or you can come back into Forms, or you can click on the link you sent, and you'll get the edit where you can look at the responses. And your responses will be here. You can also have a create a Google spreadsheet, which will have them organized, timestamp, email, class period, website that way as well. And you can just click on the links that way. Let me know if you have any questions.